Good day to you all. I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 minutes trading strategy. Okay, 5 minute trading strategy for beginner trading boom and crash. Okay, so many people have been asking me that, oh, okay, they are having low trading capital or they are just starting, how can they go about it? Okay, so many people want to start making money while they are learning. Then I have this strategy for you which you can apply, and I'm going to highlight all these for you in today's training. Okay, I'm going to make it very easy and simple for you to follow, even on your own, without my presence with you. Okay, so I'm going to make it very easy for you. So I just want you to get your notepad ready and your pen, sit tight and watch this video to the end. But before we go fully into it, if you are new on this platform, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the forex niche. So take your time and browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. I've got lots and lots of training videos that can get you started immediately. Okay, all you just need to do is just to watch them, make sure you understand the strategies shared, and practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. This is very vital and important, and the reason is I don't want you to lose your money. The whole essence of the training video is for you guys to make more money. Okay, because when you make money, you guys are going to make me proud. Okay, so that is how it works. So feel free, browse through the channel and make sure you um subscribe to this channel. Okay, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because that is the only way you can get notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it and set the notification to all notification. Okay, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you have any question about any of my videos, probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. So let's quickly check out what is happening in the markets, okay, before we go fully into other things. Okay, at the moment, I'm looking at what was it called, boom 1000, and I'm using the signal indicator to do my analysis right now. Okay, at the moment it is mostly on uptrend. It is more of uptrend than downtrend, even though it is trying to pull back a bit, but it is still going on uptrend. Okay, check it out. It pulled back here after getting to this resistance level. We got a sell signal and it broke the line from here, and the line also changed from blue to yellow, which makes it come down to this level, which is 52 minutes. But as you can see, after getting to this resistance level, which led to this uptrend, it's also spiked up. So we are likely to see another uptrend to this level, probably another spike will happen that will take it up to this level before it will come down again. So let's check out what is happening to crash 1000. For crash 1000, let's check it out. I'm using the crusher indicator. Crash 1000 has been on uptrend for a while. We got our buy signal here, but got confirmed there, and it went up to this level, and right now it has gotten to the resistance level and it crashed down, and you can see the red is showing here already, so which means that it is on downtrend at the moment. So if you are the type that don't know how to sell the drop down candle, stay away from the candle, from the markets, from crash 1000 markets at the moment, and wait for the trend to change over before you jump into the market. Okay, for boom 500, I'm using the QDC scraper indicator for it, and at the moment it is on downtrend and has been on downtrend for a very long time. Okay, it just finished the downtrend and going back on uptrend, so make sure you do your analysis very well before you go into it. So right now you should be getting ready for uptrend journey. Okay, so let's check out for what is happening with crash 500. Like I said yesterday that it's consolidated yesterday. As you can see, it consolidated here 2 days ago, and yesterday also it also consolidated there. So it broke out the support level again, and you see it's coming down to this level. Right now it is consolidating again. So if it breaks the resistance level, then you should see it going back up to this resistance level. But if it is unable to break it, then you should experience another what's it called, another downtrend, okay, to continue, another set of downtrend to continue. So that is that about today's analysis. Okay, I'll be stopping here for now. Remember, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so now? If you have any question at all, feel free to contact me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Okay, like I said, we are trying to look at, okay, we'll be looking at the 5-minute trading strategy for beginners. Okay, that is what we are looking at today, trading boom and crash. Okay, so we will be looking at how to go about it, what you should spot out before you go into the trade, and how you can do this, because mostly beginners are always scared of the market. They don't know what to do in most cases, so they want a safe means of trading for a short period to scalp trade successfully and also to make some profits within the region. So that is what we will be looking at today. So let's quickly check what is happening and how we can achieve this easily. So I will be using this setup because this setup makes it very easy for you to trade. If you are wondering, the name of this setup, it is called QDC Scraper Indicator. Okay, QDC Scraper Indicator. It comes with different features. The trend, it comes with 3 different trends: the 4MA trend, then this other trend, Damjan trend, then the QDC trend Scraper trend. Okay, it comes with this, but the Damjan trend and also the 4MA trend are for short period, while this is for long period. Okay, so it's works that way. It helps you. This will actually, the third one will actually help you to know when the trend is changing right from the beginning before it starts changing. Okay, that is the way it works. That is the way it works. So like I said, I want to teach you how you can pick up 5 minutes trading, candle trading, boom and crash as a beginner. So that is why I'm highlighting all this process so that you will understand how to go about it. So the first thing you need to look out for, since all these assets are trend trading assets, then the most important thing is to confirm the trend. Okay, make sure you are sure of the trend and confirm it if truly you are on that particular trend. Okay, so right now this one will help us to know the general trend of the market, which is QDC trend scraper. Okay, and already it has given up a drop down arrow, which shows that the market will be on downtrend, and it has been on downtrend for a very long time. So what you should do is to highlight this. Okay, just put your this here and wait for the next step is for you to focus on the main chart. Okay, on this main chart, this actually gave us an instruction that the market is about going on downtrend, so you should be getting ready for it. Okay, so now focus on the main chart after highlighting the turn up of the trend where the trend is changing. Focus on the main chart, wait for your sell signal. So right now we've gotten our sell signal here, and as you can see, the trend is the bars of the trend are changing to red. Okay, so which means the market is on downtrend. So far the market is on downtrend, you are safe to trade. I'm not saying there won't be spike, and as you can see, there are spikes in between. Even though there are small ones, this is a spike, this is a small spike, this is another one, this is a bigger spike, you can see. And in some cases you will see so many spikes like this, and as you can see, even though it is still within the red region, there are spikes. This is what it called pullback. Okay, but might not be strong enough to change the trend of the market. That is why we are still seeing reds. Okay, you can see that it is not strong enough to change the trend of the market, and right now this is where the trend is ending. So I'm going to highlight that again. So we should be getting ready for an uptrend. Okay, that is the way it works. Okay, so let's go back. How do we now pick up our 5 minutes? I've tried to explain to us how to get our trend ready. Okay, how to get ready for the next trend, which is the downtrend. Okay, once we have confirmed the downtrend, the next thing is for you to focus on the main chart. Once you focus on the main chart, you wait for your sell signal to pop up for boom. Okay, Okay, let me quickly say this. Since we have two assets here or four assets, but it's going to be 4 in 2 because we have boom 500 and boom 1000, and we also have crash 500 and crash 1000. Okay, for boom, if you are not trading the spikes, then you should focus on the sell signal. And the sell signal we will have to work with the sell trend. Okay, sell signal, sell trend. Okay, for crash, if you are not trading the spikes or the drop down candle, then you should focus on the buy signal. Okay, so the buy signal will have to be on the buy trend. Okay, so that's the way it works. Okay, so once we are able to identify the trend of the market, so we focus on the main chart and pick up our sell signal. Okay, you can see the sell signal came out from here. Okay, so once it comes out, you can go into the market. Okay, and let's see if it will give us 5-minute candles. This actually gave us how many candles? 10-minute candles, so half of it should be 5. Okay, so we are good, right? So after getting our 5-minute candle, forget about how far the stuff is going. The main purpose, if you follow this strategy, you will be able to reach your daily target easily. And remember, this is just a single asset out of the 4 assets. Okay, so if you have this setup on boom 500, on boom 1000, and crash 500, and on crash 1000, within an hour or two you should be done with your trading activities. So we've gotten our 5-minute candles here, so wait for the next sell signal. This is the next sell signal. Remember, this is 1-minute time frame. This is the next sell signal. Confirm if the trend is still red. Of course it is still red, so you can come in here again and pick up another 5-minute candles. So this is 12 minutes, so less than half of this should give us 5 minutes, so you are good to go. You can see it is safer doing it that way. We got another sell signal here, and the trend, always confirm the trend. If it is still red, then you are good to go. So this actually gave us more opportunity to trade 33 minute candles, but all you need is 5 minutes. Okay, so this is 5 minutes candles. Okay, so we've gotten how many like that? Let's start again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we've gotten 3, and let's check this out. This is another opportunity for us to read. This actually gave us 9-minute time candles. All we need is 5 minutes. Okay, that's 4. Okay, this is another one. This gave us 7 minutes candle. All we are looking for is 5 minutes. That is 5. You can see the trend is a very long one. This is another one giving us more, so making it 6. Then here is another one. This actually gave us more. Okay, so all we need is 5 minutes. 7. Then this is another one. 8. Okay, 8, and the trend has come to an end there. You can see it spiking already. So that is the way it works. That is how amazing it is. So on this boom 500 alone, we got 8 from it. So within few hours of trading, what if on crash 500, on crash 1000, then boom 1000, then we'll have gotten more from there. So within 1 hour, it is most likely you reach your daily targets with this. So let's do some calculation. We got 8 5-minute candles, right? Successfully. 8 5-minute candles successfully. So that is 40 minutes, isn't it? That makes it 40 minutes. Let's say you are earning $2.5 per minute. Okay, times 2.5. It all depends on your trading capital. On your lot size and your trading capital. This actually gave us $100. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? So that is how you can do this easily without any hiccups. Okay, all I want you to do is, okay, on that your notepad, create a table. Okay, create a table for on each of the column. Okay, have your boom 500 there, have your boom 1000 there, crash 500, then crash 1000. Then on your charts on your demo account, have this set up on your demo account. So throughout today, try and pick up 5 minute candles using the strategy I shared with you today, and let's see which one that will be successful and the one that won't be successful at the end of the day. And remember, consider the trend, and even if there is a spike against you, okay, I'll leave it open until the end of the trend. So let's see what will happen at the end of the day. Then do your calculation. Okay, you can give yourself 1 hour. Let's see how you can achieve this, or probably try that throughout today. Do your calculations at the end of the day, and let's see how much you are able to make. Okay, how much profit you are able to make, and if you encounter any loss, then also let us know. Okay, so this is very, very important. You can drop more information or your results in the comment section below this video, or you send it to me in my via my WhatsApp. Okay, and we can trash it out together. Okay, so I believe you've learned a lot today, so I want you to do this assignment for me so that you guys can get yourself prepared before trying it out on your real account. Okay, this is very, very vital and important for those that have been taking most of the assignments very serious. I believe you guys have been getting positive result. Of course, I've been getting so many messages from you guys, and I'm really happy that your trading activities is changing for good. Okay, so I want you guys to, those of you that are yet to put this into consideration, I want you guys to start considering all these analysis, practice, the assignment I'm giving to you guys, so that you guys will improve in your trading activities. Okay, so I'll be stopping here right now. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot, because you are going to miss my next training video that I'll be posting tomorrow, and it's going to be an amazing one. So in order for you not to miss it, just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it, and set the notification bell to all notifications. So I'll be stopping here right now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.